Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play quarterback in Ultimate Football Roblox Mobile. First, familiarize yourself with the on-screen controls. Your left thumb controls movement, while your right thumb manages passing. Before each snap, take a moment to observe the defensive alignment. Look for open receivers and anticipate their routes. Understanding these basics is crucial for making effective plays and leading your team down the field, aiming for those crucial touchdowns. Practice these fundamental steps to build a strong foundation for your quarterback skills. Mastering the pass is key to success. To throw, tap and hold the screen, then drag your finger to aim precisely at your receiver. Swipe up or down to adjust the power and trajectory of your throw. For short, quick passes, use a lighter touch. For deep bombs, apply more power. Remember, timing is everything. Release the ball just as your receiver breaks open. Practice different throws to develop a feel for the game's physics and deliver accurate passes consistently. Reading the defense is a critical skill for any quarterback. Before the snap, try to identify if the defense is playing man-to-man or zone coverage. Watch for blitzing linebackers or safeties who might rush you. After the snap, make quick decisions. Throw to an open receiver, scramble out of the pocket if pressure is coming, or hand off the ball if it's a run play. Your ability to process information quickly will greatly impact your team's offensive success. To elevate your game, incorporate advanced strategies. Utilize play-action fakes by pretending to hand off the ball, which can confuse defenders and open up passing lanes. Don't be afraid to scramble out of the pocket if your receivers are covered, extending the play, or gaining valuable yards with your legs. Effective communication with your teammates, even through in-game chat, can also lead to better route running and overall offensive execution. These tactics will make you a more dynamic and unpredictable quarterback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.